Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I actually wanted to do a review about my new iron, which is the Geepas Cordless Steam Iron. I got it off at a co-op and the price was like, I think, less than 90 dirhams. So when I bought it, I'm very skeptical because I don't know if it's gonna work, or because of the brand name. Actually, it's not well known, but I did wanted to try it, and you're gonna hear about my first-hand experience about this product. If you're new to my channel, my name is April. I'm a mom of two and I'm living in Dubai and working in Dubai. So I hope you guys stick around, and if you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell, so then when I upload new videos, you get notified as well. So before I even start, this video is not sponsored in any way, and I'm doing this because I wanted to let you guys know how this product worked with me and what I think about it. So without further ado, let's get started. This is actually a ceramic soap plate, so it can do wet and dry ironing as well. Okay, so this is the product itself. It's a little bit heavy actually. I don't know, I feel it weighs like half kg or something. With water in it, it really feels a little bit heavy. The only thing I actually didn't like about this is it doesn't have like a way to fix it on your ironing board. So what I normally do, I put it on a table and make sure that it doesn't move or anything. But I mean, it should be like a flat, stable table, because this is still an iron and I don't want to break it or something like that. Okay, so this is the iron. If you see, these are the dial, so I kept it at the maximum. This is the light, as I've mentioned. So if I remove this, it's gonna go out, so have to put it back every time you finish, or you just wanted to remove it or not use it. This is where the water goes. So this is the one that I've been using. So if I wanted to like put a steam on it, so I use this one. This one, I don't like to use this, I don't know why, but just I leave it like that. So that's how it actually looks. And this one is the cord. So as I mentioned, I put it here on the table, on my office table, so I feel here it's much stable, and then I can just move it. But maybe if you can figure out how to just fix it properly, that would be good. So everything feels like plastic to me. This is how it looks like from the inside. Okay, once you plug it, you're gonna see this one, the light. It means that it's actually charging. So wait a little bit before you even start ironing, just to get it hot. Maybe I'd say wait 5-10 minutes tops and then start ironing. So okay, let's put you away. So I'll just put this here, make sure that it's charging. You have to put it properly. Gonna start off with one cloth, my shirt. And by the way, this is cotton, and normally I just put it on the maximum high, but you could choose if it's cotton, if it's linen, if it's synthetic. So I actually don't follow that because I know the temperature. Okay, I think we've done enough heating. Let's see. Okay, so this is just the normal ironing, and it does iron good actually. So after you use it, you don't leave it here or you leave it standing or something like that. Just you put it back. So that is, it did iron pretty well because this is actually cotton. Okay, that's how it actually looked like. So it's pretty decent ironing. If you can see, I didn't iron it properly, but I think it's pretty decent. So let's get another cloth. Okay, what about if it's like your husband's shirt? Because this is the most difficult shirt to iron, I think, cloth. Just I want to show you how crumpled is it. The magic trick. So this time I want to use the steam. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. You'll see that it's gonna steam. Ow, whoopsie. It's gonna steam up. Okay, and then just no, and I don't want the steam. It's actually really nice. And you know what, guys? I really like that I don't have to deal with the cords anymore. Plus, it's not really expensive. See how easy it is to iron without any cords? Put this back. You see, guys? You see how it's really ironed really neat. I love this. What about if we do like silk or really difficult cloth? Okay, what about this? This is somehow like a polyester. Let's try. Oopsie. By the way, I didn't reduce the heat. It's still to the maximum. And it's ironed pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right now. Okay, so I'd say that's a pretty good cordless, cordless iron, steam iron. I'm actually shocked that it really does a good job, and that I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, I got it off like less than $100, 100 dirhams, and I think it's a steal because competitors like Philips or the big brands are gonna be selling it for like much more money, like 300, 400, so times 3 of that. So I think I just really did a very good selection out of this. I think Geepas has been here in Dubai for the last years, but they've just not breaking down the market, and I think their products are really worth trying. So yeah, I think that's just sums about it. If you have questions or if you want to know anything else other than the ones that I showed you, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. If you have suggestions, whatnot, whatever you wanted to say, please leave them in the comment section down below. Just please don't curse me. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. We'd love for you to stick around. So hoping to see you in my next videos. Bye!